Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. I am a Nigerian based in Ireland, and in my channel I do cooking recipes, mukbang, vlog, chit chat and natural hair videos. So yeah, in today's video it is another collab. Like, it gives me so much joy collaborating and working with hard-working ladies. Like, we're mom, we're killing it, we're working hard, you know, we're doing whatever it takes to build up a career, to make money. So always so happy whenever I'm doing a collab with a wonderful sister, because we are out here, we're all YouTubers, we're struggling and we're trying to make it one way or the other. And by grace of God, this 2020 will be our year. It will be our year of success, our year of breakthrough, and our year of making it here on YouTube. I am working with this beautiful lady, Family's Things, and guys, her channel is lovely, if I must say. She's a wonderful woman. Her channel is so lovely. In her channel she do cooking recipe like me, she do mukbang as well. She's my lady. She do mukbang and she does vlogging, and her family vlog, guys, you need to go and see her family. You need to go and meet her family because her family is cool. I love her family vlog. So guys, yeah, this is Family Things channel, and you can see like she do all sorts of stuff with her family in her channel. She do sorts of great stuff in her channel. So guys, please check her out, check her channel out and see, you know, what she's going to be making today. So today's recipe, we came up with the idea to do chicken yam porridge with spinach vegetable. I am going to be cooking it differently. I feel like today I don't want to add my spinach in the yam. I want to make my spinach separately and cook my yam porridge separately. And yeah, let's go over there and I will introduce you guys to our recipe for today. So please, not being pushy, but please check out Family Things and see how she made her own recipe. She is a wonderful woman. You won't be disappointed. Thank you guys. So let's go over there. Guys, over here, this is our ingredients for today. So we have our yam, we have jollof chicken seasoning, ginger and garlic, we have Maggi, onions, white onions, we have thyme. We have, what do we have? Salt, crayfish. This is our spinach. We have corn. I usually have frozen corn, but today I don't have frozen corn and I have tin corn. That is why I'm using the tin corn. If you have a frozen corn or fresh corn, perfect. Scotch bonnet and my celery. And we have palm oil as well. So this is our chicken, right? So now our chicken is clean. Now I am going to start adding all the seasoning in the chicken. So I'm going to add my onions. I'm going to add ginger and garlic. I'm going to add jollof chicken seasoning. I'm going to add 2 Maggi, and I am going to add salt. Okay, that is everything added inside our chicken. I'm going to move it to the far side of the burner and start cooking our chicken. I'm going to cover the chicken and then I will start cooking it. So guys, I forgot to add my thyme, so I'm going to add it now. Okay, and I'm just going to cover this and let it keep cooking. So guys, the chicken has been cooking with its own water now, so I'm going to add water because it's drying up. So I'm going to add water in it. So I added 3 cups of water and I'm going to cover it again. It has been cooking for 15 minutes. I reckon another 15 minutes would be okay. So I cook it for another 15 minutes. I'm going to cover it and keep cooking the chicken. So guys, it is time to start taking out our chicken. So I'm going to take it out. And for this chicken, I am going to fry it. I'm going to fry the chicken. So all our chicken is out. So now I am going to actually start cooking the yam. I am going to add the yam inside the pot. So that is the yam in there. So guys, why I like cooking yam porridge is that it's very easy. There's no hassle. So now that my yam is in here, I am going to add some ingredients. I'm going to add the palm oil. So now guys, I'm going to add my red oil and I'm going to add crayfish. So I'm adding my crayfish. So I added the crayfish and I am going to cover it and cook it. Okay, I'm not going to add Maggi, salt or whatever. I'm going to cook the yam first and then taste it and see. Halfway through it, I'll taste it and see if I need to add any Maggi or any salt. So guys, now I'm going to add this oil, the vegetable oil, so I can start frying my meat, because I'm going to fry my meat and I'm going to let it get hot and I'll start frying my meat. So guys, while we're waiting for my oil to get hot, I'm going to turn this and taste it and see if I need to add Maggi and salt, because you don't want the yam to cook through before you add Maggi and salt. I'll add 2 of the Maggi, but I will not add salt. I'll mix that. And I'll keep cooking it. Now I can taste the Maggi. So guys, I have added my chicken in the oil. So guys, it is time to take out my chicken. I'm going to add the rest of the chicken. So guys, I took it out of the stove because the smoke was too much. I want to check if the yam is soft enough now. So I have taken the one that I feel like is the biggest among them, and I'll open it and I will check the middle of it. Yeah, it looks like it's done. It looks soft. I'll taste it. It is done, guys. That yam is done. I'm not going to put it back on the stove. I'm not going to put the yam back on the stove. I'm not going to put that yam back on the stove because it is done and it is very, very juicy. It is so juicy. So guys, my yam is ready. I am done frying my meat, so I am going to start getting my veg ready. I'm going to add a little oil from the one I used. So I added a little oil from the one I use in frying my meat, and I'm going to start getting my veg ready. So I'm going to add my onions. So I'm going to fry that for a bit. After frying the onions for like 2 minutes, I'm going to add my celery. I'm going to fry my celery as well. And I'm going to fry that again for like another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I am going to add my spinach and my sweet corn. So now I am going to add some seasoning because I don't want to cook this vegetable for too long. So I'm going to add thyme, I'm going to add ginger and garlic, and I'm just going to add a pinch of salt, just a tiny bit of salt, okay? Because we have good taste of Maggi in the yam, so we don't want to be adding Maggi in this one. So I'm going to mix that up. I'm going to cover this for like 5 minutes, just to allow everything to simmer together. Sorry, I forgot, because I did not add scotch bonnet in my yam. I did not add any scotch bonnet in it because my kids really love yam porridge, so I don't want any excuse for them not to eat that yam porridge, and they love it the way I made it. Once there is no vegetable hanging around the yam porridge, they love it like that. So I did not add any chili there because I don't want an excuse. I really want them to enjoy it. So I'm going to add the scotch bonnet in the veg. Mix that up. And yeah, I will cover it for 5 minutes. So guys, this is after 5 minutes, and this is absolutely ready. It is ready, guys. It is ready. Oh my gosh, guys, look at the plate of this yummy goodness. Like, thank God it is now afternoon, so I don't seriously have to wait. I'm just gonna dive in and enjoy this meal. Like, look at it. The chicken, the veg, the yam, everything looks so yummy. Put your eyes in it, guys. Put your eyes in this food. Can you put your eyes in it? I just reduced the light so you can see what I'm seeing. Are you seeing what I am seeing, guys? This plate is yummy goodness. Like, it is so good. It looks so good. Wow. Anywho, guys, so guys, thank God that this recipe is over. It is absolutely yummy. Like, it smells so good. The yam is the juiciness of the yam is giving me life, guys. It is giving me life. I can't wait to dive in. Thank God it's afternoon now, so I'm not gonna be saying, oh, I'm waiting, it's still more. No, it's afternoon, so I'm gonna pounce on it and enjoy myself. So guys, this is where this recipe is going to end. It is absolutely fantastic working with family's things. Thank you, girl, for working with me. I absolutely love collaborating with you. Thank you so much. And if you're coming from family's tin, you're highly welcome. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. And guys, please feel free to check her out and see how she made her own recipe, because I tell you, the way I made my own will be different from the way she made her own. So please check her out and find out how she made her own yam porridge with spinach and chicken. So guys, this is where this recipe is going to end. Your girl cannot wait to dive in and demolish like champions. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.